goodness.
South Africans are everywhere.
Listen.
Everywhere.
Oh my God. You know when she was coming, Bonnie Plugue like it's an ishness like it's in the Nobazani get this year.
Kanti kushikazi.
Kanti gazi liyezwa.
Oh, we are here.
Oh, Disney.
Say hello to
Ufunanda.
Like, guys, seriously, what are the odds of meeting a fellow South African in Paris on a bus? Just randomly, someone says, hello, Thenjiwe in Paris. Like, I could have been gossiping about her. I could have been saying things, being so sure that nobody understands me. Thank God I wasn't saying anything bad about anyone. But yeah, we met wonderful, wonderful Annalisa on the bus on our way to Disney, and it turns out that she is a star in Disney. So we ended up getting VIP family tickets to go and see her show and to skip the queues for Disney, and you know how long the queues are. So we had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.
Thenjiwe, let's go. Let's go there. Mickey is waiting for us. We'll go back. Okay, we'll come back there. Let's go. Under Lisa, but my name is Thenjiwe. But she put it under the name. Thank you.
C'est un bon coup de balai. As you can see, it needs a good clean.
Oui, monsieur le magicien, mais j'ai hâte de faire de la magie.
But you can't practice your magic, Mickey, until this room is spotless.
Oh, oui, monsieur. Waouh! Tout brillera avant que la lune ne disparaisse. Je vous le promets.
Good. And remember, a true magician always keeps his promises. Un vrai magicien tient toujours ses promesses. Good luck, Mickey.
Quoi? Un chapeau qui parle? Waouh! Cet atelier est vraiment enchanté.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Shabby, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Try the grand stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, sir, this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We are guests, we are guests. Oh la la! We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks. Come on and lift your glass, you run your...
J'ai dit le chapeau enchanté. Le chapeau enchanté. Bien, j'ai du travail à faire. Oh, oh, oh.
Did I put the magic wand?
Hein?
Oh, merci très cher. Je l'ai cherché partout. You must be that young magician I've heard so much about.
Moi? Oh, non, ce n'est pas moi. Mais un jour, j'espère devenir un grand magicien.
Well, it sounds like you need a bit of practice, dear boy. And I have just the magic words to help you. J'ai la formule magique qu'il te faut. Salagadou, la magicabou, la bibidi-babidi-bou. Mélangez tout ça et vous aurez quoi? Bibidi-babidi-bou. Salagadou, la magicabou, la bibidi-babidi-bou.
Did you enjoy the show?
My
Oh,
goodness.
man.
I was like a kid in a candy shop. Like, really, I'm trying to get the loudest people. We were the loudest. This show is the best thing about
My
this.
boy.
We can go home now.
Yeah, my man.
We can go home.
You guys are awesome.
You guys are the best. Okay, all right. Oh my, this is amazing. I'm like, whew, thank you.
Qui êtes-vous? Qui êtes-vous? The question is, who are you? Sois le fruit sous ton
I don't want to talk to that.
You see, my friend, true magic lives in our hearts. Magnifique.
This young lady to the ball. Il est temps de se prendre balle. Come back now, dear. Remember, my dear, have faith in your dreams and you'll find what you seek.
Happy birthday, dear Thenjiwe. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah!
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's so overwhelmed. He doesn't know what to do. Oh, my birthday boy. Oh, this is the best birthday. And he's so crazy.
Yo!
How you doing?
I like that color. Come on, bring it in, man. Come on, give me a hug. Oh, let's talk about my birthday boy. Yeah, look at that. And get my man, what's going on? I'm your boy, it's me, the genie. You got 3 wishes, okay? I'll give you a little love thing. Hello, bonjour.
Can I make 3 wishes?
Yeah, I'll give you 2 or 3 minutes to think. I forgot my lap.
You can give him the camera so he can film stuff.
Yo, man. Come on, my man. Come on.
Do it, do
Just-
it.
Yeah!
Thank you. Can you take a picture?
We dance.